Hello all.
This one stinks already.
I cannot enter.
This one stinks already. Not been bitten.
This shouldn't be possible.
We found one!
Every sinew, every fiber of my being is afire. I feel like a child. child learning the limits of my body. My strength, my reflexes. I'm not human anymore. My poor sister. If only I had controlled my need for blood. Mary, someone will pay for what happened to you. For what happened to us. This is despicable. I can't believe I'm doing this. It's locked, all right. The dizziness from the jump. I can now control it. This is despicable. What will London have to say to me? I've so many questions unanswered. Another corpse. Have the very streets of London become a mausoleum? The man has been drained of all blood, but I can still smell the scent of it. I follow the scent's trail. Perhaps it will lead me to my assailant. Fresh blood. The smell is so strong. This is a slaughterhouse. It's locked. No one's there. There's no one in. It's locked. Where has everyone gone? I cannot enter. It's locked. There is no one in sight. At last, a little life.
To the turquoise turtle.
It's a good thing you cannot see me now, Mum.
My God, sir, you look like Jonah's whale just spat you out of hell. Can I get you a drink?
No, thank you. I'm not thirsty.
Well, grab a chair and get some rest. This is going to be another long night.
Why is it going to be a long night?
You must be new around here. Don't you know about the murders?
Tell me more about these murders.
Every morning for the last few weeks, bodies have been found. And those poor sods didn't die of flu.
Do the police have any leads on a suspect?
Even before the outbreak, coppers never came round here. We're on our own. People die in these parts all the time, and no one cares.
Where am I? Where is this place?
You're at my bar, sir, the Turquoise Turtle. The last ray of light in this dangerous part of town.
So you're open all night?
Yep. Figured people might need a place to rest in these dark times.
Aren't you scared?
Scared of what? All the bad shit happens out on the foggy streets. And I never go outside.
I'm looking for someone who might have passed through here recently. Wondered if you might help.
It's been quiet tonight. The only other person I've seen went straight up to his room. Thought it was kind of rude, actually.
You mean he's still here?
Well, yeah. He paid for the entire week.
Who is this man? What does he look like?
Well, like a gentleman, I guess. Well-dressed, quite polite.
How long has he been?
He rented the room a few days ago and did...
I need to meet this man. I have questions.
Just climb the stairs and knock on the first door. I heard him open his window, so I guess he's still awake. And,
Yes?
no funny business, you hear me? This is a respectable establishment.
Are they stupid or something? I've never even
Good
been
evening,
to
sir. I wondered if I could ask for your help.
Wow, you look like you need a drink.
Yes. I apologize for my outfit. It's been a long night.
Been there, seen that. Don't worry, things can only get worse.
What's going on around here? It's like everybody is hiding.
You must be new here. Have you not heard about the murders? Everybody fears the return of the sewer dog.
Who is this sewer dog?
It's the local bogeyman.
I should just run as far away
You may...
as I can.
Can't say.
This is important, sir.
I don't know and I don't.
I'll leave you to your bottle.
Hello, sir. Are you all right?
I don't know.
Maybe you prefer to speak with Tom, then.
I just want to talk.
I'm not afraid, sir.
I only see...
Oh,
What's going on around?
too many dead, sir.
The murder.
Bodies found in the
The
street.
sewer dog.
No one knows.
What have you heard?
There's a Spanish flu.
Are the authorities doing anything?
Nothing.
Gotta be something can be done.
What?
Is it... No.
I'll leave then.
Not long ago, this sort of mess would have given me a laugh.
I hope I live long enough to see them wet boot boys get what's coming to them.
Damn it. I think drink no longer stirs me.
This is no place for you. Prewen has several patrols roaming the area,
They do not pursue me.
but they're looking for vampires, and they're most efficient.
They'll not relent until the killer has been identified.
I have a common objective, but I require...
I think someone is eavesdropping.
Are you certain? You might as well come in, whoever you are.
Slowly, vampire!
Who are you?
I mean you no harm.
Saith the vampire. Present yourself.
I need a word. Would anyone?
Well, that's something I can do for you. And who might you be?
I'm not sure that I know anymore.
Might I at least learn the reason of your presence?
That's none of your concern.
Sir, you have entered my room in the middle of the night, pale as a corpse and shaking like a tree. So please, indulge me.
Someone is molesting people. In fact, killing them. Biting them.
The calling card of a vampire. Like you.
You seem the expert. How would that be?
I have my secrets, as you have yours.
Then if you are not a vampire, who or what are you?
Dr. Edgar Swansea of the Brotherhood of St. Paul. I'm performing an independent investigation here in an attempt to understand precisely what is going on.
I heard another voice, that of a woman. Who were you talking to?
Ridiculous. I've no idea what you're talking about.
Something tells me not to trust you.
Then the feeling is mutual.
Then help me find the culprit.
I may. If you'll first tell me why you opened this door.
I followed a trail. The scent of blood from a recent victim. It led me here.
You thought I was your aggressor. That explains a great deal. We're both chasing the same shadow.
A shadow, indeed. Yet I heard his voice in my head. There was a moment I believed I was mad.
You should let me handle this affair. You've no idea what you're up against.
No. I will find the monster. He is mine.
How will you do any better than I? But then let me ask you this. What are your intentions if you find the killer?
I'll end him.
Then I can only wish you good hunting. And pray we shall meet again.
It's locked, all right. If Swansea is not my attacker, it means somebody else came here tonight. Someone must know something.
Damn it. I think dreaming disturbs me.
I hope I live long enough to see them wet boot boys get what's coming to them.
Good thing you cannot see me now, Mum.
I will get to the bottom of this intrigue. What's been done to me, to this city. The body is still warm. This man has just been drained of blood. This man was armed. He tried to defend himself. What's this? Some sort of note. This corpse has been dried of its blood, just like the previous victim. Blood and empty gin bottles. This bishop fellow is something of a heavy drinker. There are blood splats on the other side of the canal. I must reach that barge. I cannot enter. Ammunition crate. Good. I may need a lot of bullets. I feel like I'm back on the front line again.
No time I can remember. Leech spotted! Watch out, boys! It's a leech! Kill it! He's dead! Over there!
It's locked, all right.
Fresh blood. The whole building reeks of it. The scent is so strong it makes me dizzy.
As we shall overcome this. We've done it before. I must have more. Oh dear God, not again. William, please stop. Just a sip, I promise. You're my dearest friend. You're my last and dearest friend.
This place reeks of bloodshed.
Oh my God, William. I can't stand it anymore.
This creature is bedeviled. I must put it down.
William was an honorable man. I could have saved him.
Mr. Hampton, are you in there?
I knew him well, another lost soul, a kindred spirit.
Sir, listen to the sound of my voice. I'm a doctor. You're suffering from shock.
I must return to my flock. They'll stray without me.
Remember, certain skulls are every bit as resistant as we are.
Who are you? What do you mean by skull?
You truly are a newborn. I should have realized.
Wait. You are the woman from the bar. Are you... like me? Can you help me?
I believe, sir, I already have.
By George and the Saints, you've solved the mystery of these terrible murders. Patience, good fellows, I've come to offer help. Just give me a moment to secure my boat. We can leave this awful place.
William was not the evil man they claimed. He was just taken by the thirst. He needed his drink.
This man requires medical attention. We'll see he gets to the nearest hospital.
No, please, I must tend to my fold. My flock needs me.
There, sir. Go with the good Dr. Swansea. He's resourceful, and I'm sure he'll take good care of you.
You'd best come as well. The sun is soon to rise, and you'll need a place to rest.
I just need a moment. If I can learn something about what has happened to William, I'll be a step closer to understanding what happened to me.
This poor creature can't be my maker. Could it be some subspecies of vampire? I must find a place to analyze the blood.
Where are we headed?
We're on our way to the Pembroke Hospital. It's just across the canal. They'll have a bed for poor Mr. Hampton.
William was... what manner of creature was he?
Predator, prey, villain, and victim. Who can say? The important thing is that he's been stopped.
Duly noted. And the woman? What... who is she?
What woman?
Oh, don't play me for a fool. You used me to locate that skull. You must know who she is.
And I thought you a gentleman. You shouldn't talk about a lady behind her back, but I will tell you she values her privacy. Were London as peaceful as she appears from the middle of the canal? If only that were the reality of the situation.
To be honest, I've always tried to avoid this part of town.
Pembroke Hospital is the last bastion between the rest of London and the epidemic. The flu has decimated the East End and the war still rages. Welcome to the front lines of a plague.
This is where you work, Dr. Swansea?
I am the administrator of Pembroke Hospital.
I thought you were here in service of your mysterious order, the Brotherhood of...
Of St. Paul's Stole, yes. But first and foremost, I'm a man of science. A physician, like yourself, Dr. Reed.
How do you know who I am?
No need for modesty. You are Dr. Jonathan Reed. A surgeon of some caliber and renown, if I'm not mistaken.
You are correct, sir.
I knew it! I had my suspicions. But when you took the blood sample from the corpse of poor William, I was certain. Dr. Reed. Marvelous.
Have we met?
I attended 3 of your seminars before the war. I have the utmost admiration for your research. And what a turn of fate. England's most esteemed blood specialist returns to London a vampire.
That word, again. From a so-called man of science.
I understand. Traditionally, the role of science is to refute myth, but when myth walks among us, the Brotherhood of St. Paul has dedicated its purpose to their study. There's so much for you to learn.
Of that, you are right.
Well, then let me be blunt. Join my staff at Pembroke Hospital. As a physician. I suspect you'll not find a better post of employment to contemplate your predicament.
This is sudden. I was returning home to see my sickly mother. But alas, that was before contracting this affliction.
Dr. Reed, take a moment to consider. The post would be for the night shift, providing a good explanation for your absence during daylight hours. You'll be adequately reimbursed, and have a place to hide. I even had the forethought to bring some clean clothes. So, what do you say?
It seems I have little choice, but yours is a generous offer, so I thank you.
Brilliant! Oh, Jonathan, this is one for the book, and the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
Dr. Swansea, thank goodness. I was beginning to be concerned.
Worry no more, Nurse Crane, for I bring good news.
Oh, Doctor, what a night. We lost 2 more patients. Nurse Scow said she couldn't take it anymore and resigned.
Yes, well, I'll make a new rota in the morning. In the meantime, find a good bed for Mr. Hampton. Be sure to pay attention to his needs.
Of course, Doctor.
Oh, and Dorothy?
Yes, Doctor?
Dr. Reed here has just returned from the front. He served King and Country and will be joining us here at Pembroke. We're very lucky to have gained a surgeon of his talent, and one so experienced in blood transfusions.
That is good news indeed, Doctor.
Oh, yes. Here at Pembroke, it's not what we have, but what we haven't. It's only thanks to Nurse Crane and the staff that our ship doesn't sink. If you have any questions, just ask her.
Duly noted. Thank you.
Your assistance is required, Dr. Swansea, immediately.
Welcome aboard, Jonathan. We'll catch up after my rounds. Coming, Nurse Crane. I'm coming.
It's locked.
better than that. Nah. It's my turn.
Rotten bureaucracy. Each heart contains the seeds of life. Drink at this river. Try it all.
Oh, come on, you bastard. I won't bite.
Sir, please. You've lost too much blood. Calm yourself.
You think I didn't notice? Stop your staring and get me to an hospital, you arse!
Insulting a good Samaritan. Not exactly the way to get rescued.
Alright, sorry. I am in pain here. Me guts are spilling out onto the street and you're yabbering on.
Yes. That's a very nasty wound you've got there. Take my word, I am a doctor. Dr. Jonathan Reed.
Name's Clay Cox. I'd appreciate you helping me to a better place, Doc.
Follow me, Mr. Cox. Let me assist you to that better place.
Bring this fading light into the shadows. Dance with him the dance of life and death.
No more. Not tonight. Not like this. I will not take another life.
It is wise for the huntsman to sometimes let his prey go, but no famished hunter can run for long.
Steady, boys! We've got one of them! Die, Fergie! That leech is lost!
I cannot enter.
Get away from me! Don't touch me with your disgusting hands! Get away from me! Don't touch me with your disgusting hands!
What happened? Who are you?
It's all right, sir. You're safe now.
Oh, a fellow Englishman. Thank you, sir. For a moment I thought those bloody heathens had killed me.
What are you doing here? This place is not safe.
Yeah, it's a cesspool, but it's mine. I came to collect some overdue rent. But those who still live here have gone completely bonkers.
You're very lucky to be alive.
Yeah, filthy immigrants. Fucking savages, every one of them. And now with this bloody fever, they're just animals.
You can find safety of sorts in Whitechapel. If you're quick and cautious, you'll be able to avoid the savages.
This is Braille. I need someone who can read this. William Bishop's blood is much more unstable than human blood and shows extensive mutation. But this is not what happened to me. I must keep on searching. The sun is about to rise. I can feel it. I'll continue tomorrow night. I have so much time.
You had better return to Whitechapel without delay. It will be safer there.
Safety isn't really an issue in Whitechapel, because you never are. Never have been. They all play...
You had better return to Whitechapel.
Safety isn't...
It's locked. Scowl voices in the garden. I should investigate. If they were to find somebody. It's locked, all right. It's locked, all right.
Good evening. I'm Dr. Reed. Always a pleasure to meet a colleague, sir. Especially when he was supposedly dead.
A colleague? Are you a doctor, too?
Not anymore, sir. I used to be Dr. Rakesh Jadana. Now, I'm just Mr. Jadana, pawnbroker and humble guardian of...
What do you mean, you used to be a doctor?
No, sir. It is just that I like to be precise. I run a little pawn shop while...
Please show me what you have to sell.
Of course. It's just trinkets and curios, really. But I'm sure they can be useful. Good evening.
Do you work here alone?
Yes, very easy. Because these...
What?
Why should I?
That's...
Huh?
Where... A pawnbroker?
Yeah. I'm very cautious.
What with... Since you're not afraid of dying, do you believe in life after death, Rakesh?
No. I believe we must do all the good we can while alive. For our time...
Do you think you would...
I don't think so.
Do you really believe...
As I said...
It's quite depressing.
Yes.
You're a wise man.
No, Dr. Reed.
Do you need medical attention?
I'm feeling all right.
Goodbye, Mr. Chidana.
I understand you must be very angry about this unfair situation. I managed to arrange to have you buried in the same mass grave as your wife. I hope that might help.
I cannot enter.
It never ceases to amaze me how you... at the same time.
It's locked, all right. I cannot enter.
Doctor, where have you been? I've little time to play hide and seek with new staff members, no matter how illustrious they may be.
I found a wounded...
Already making the...
Thank you, nurse.
Dr. Swansea...
Thank you.
Yes,
I would like to ask... What?
Well... You...
Thank you, Nurse Crane. Good evening, sir.
I've already heard about...
That's quite a...
You can call me...
I'm not sure I understand what you're talking about.
Well, I'm no doctor, but I'm pretty sure a gun can't be used as a surgical instrument.
You have a keen eye. I learned to shoot during the war, and have carried one ever since. Old habits die hard.
No need to explain, Dr. Reed. And if you ever need a better gun, remember, I may have something for you.
How is...
You want to hear this?
But you're not...
You keep people... So... Yes, go there yourself. It's a...
I have some...
What?
I retrieved...
Well...
Not at all.
Good. But you keep people...
I'd like to see your good.
Wise choice, Doctor.
Good evening, nurse. I'm Dr. Jonathan Reed, the new surgeon here at the Pembroke.
Dr. Swansea has already told us about you, sir. I'm Nurse Gwyneth Brannigan. Welcome to the Pembroke Hospital.
Did he really? It's a good thing I wasn't hoping to keep a low profile.
All members of staff have already read about your new blood transfusion technique. Dr. Swansea made sure of that.
I see. Well, I'm a little surprised, but I suppose I'll just have to deal with this unexpected notoriety.
You must know, blood transfusions are Dr. Swansea's primary subject of research. He is convinced it is the future.
How?
Not good.
Do you...
Sorry, Doctor. A brilliant professor. It would be...
Is there any... Why...
I guess it's...
Nurse...
No.
Do you require medical assistance, nurse?
Thank you for your concern.
Goodbye, nurse. Call me if you need assistance. Good evening.
So
do we know each?
Actually, yes.
Dr. Tippett, yes, I remember.
He was also very...
What is... It...
What's up?
Ah, yes.
Don't get me wrong.
Tell me, you really seem to admire her skill.
I'll go even further.
You're
No.
You've nothing to prove, Dr. Tippett, to any...
I am perfectly fine, and I am...
You're exhausting your...
No.
You've nothing to...
I am perfect...
Do you need any medical assistance yourself, Doctor?
Come on, don't be ridiculous, dear colleague.
Goodbye, Dr. Tippett. Dr. Swansea is right. This place seems perfect to conduct my research.
The pain. Here again.
It's locked. Good evening, miss. I'm Dr. Reed.
Your name has no meaning to me.
I beg your pardon?
What are you begging for?
You keep calling me...
Well, Dr.
And why do you believe you're a vampire?
I don't need to... Like... Delusional, you say? It's only a cover.
This... I see.
Thank you, mortal.
Who are... I'm curious to know...
No, it was such a long time ago.
I'll leave you, Mistress of the Dark, to your nocturnal activities.
Disgust on every street corner. Daily routine.
I wish I could be sick again. Feel my blood boil with the fever.
Damn.
Good evening, sir. Can I help you?
Unless you're here to fix my face. No. I don't think you can help me.
I'm Dr. Reed.
You guessed... You...
How aren't you a...
And it's another good... In a... It's the pain.
Who?
No,
you don't...
my face.
Can... No. Goodbye for now, Mr. Elwood.
Damn. The pain. It's there again.
I wonder what your last thoughts would be, sir.
It's locked.
On every street corner.
I wish I could be sick again.
Daily.
Good evening, Mr. Hampton. How do you feel?
Dr. Reed, is it? Oh, sir, I must apologize for my behavior.
What do you mean?
I was not myself in the factory. Fear and exhaustion made me say awful things to you, I'm afraid.
You remained perfectly nice and polite. A little delirious, perhaps. But who wouldn't be after enduring an abduction?
Thank you, Doctor. That's a relief. Now all I need to do is rest and return to my flock.
Do you tell people are
help? Not. I.
What? You. I'm. What is the general?
This.
Who?
Since Clay.
Has. You're at.
I'm.
What? That... Have not you never kept? Goodbye, Mr. Hampton. We'll talk again later.
I have wasted too.
Good evening, nurse.
Good evening, Doctor.
And I'm Dr.
Well, it's a euphemism.
How would... What?
Milk.
Is he what? Goodbye, Nurse Hawkins.
Fear and disgust on every street corner. Daily routine.
I wonder why the Goslicks came here in the first place.
Will this shift never end? You always knew the words to calm the children down.
Good evening, sir.
As for me, what a blundering idiot.
What can I do for you, Doctor?
Thank you, Nurse Crane.
I'm all right. Don't waste your time with me.
Good evening, Doctor.
Dr. Reed. I am... What? What? Do you... Oh, you can question... What a fair question. I did... Tell me, but... Goodbye, Dr. Strickland.
Don't waste your time with me.
Good evening, sir. I'm Dr. Reed. May I help you?
I don't know if a third of...
I see.
I'm Harvey Fitt.
Tell... I would... I... Where... In... Tell... What... Tell me... How... You... What... I'm... How... I... Goodbye for now, Mr. Fiddick. I'll see you later.
You always knew the words to calm the children, Helen. As for me, I'm a blundering idiot.
Good evening, sir. I'm Dr. Reed.
Reed? Yes. Little... It is...
It's... We can... If I... don't... Since cat... I... What... I... And... Thank you for your time. We'll talk later.
My sweet girl. Reads me like a book.
What do you think? It's a shame he's with the influence. I believe that if... So you believe it's... Dr. Ackroyd is as... Goodbye, Dr. Strickland.
My sweet girl. Reads me like a book. Never could keep it.
I'm all right. Don't waste your time with me.
Good evening, madam.
It's my... I'm Beatrice. I'm...
What is... Tell me what...
Yeah.
Goodbye, Mrs. Goswick.
I'm all right. Don't waste your time with me.
Good evening. I'm...
No, I don't want to...
I suppose...
Yes.
Could you at least...
Mortimer.
Have... So...
Yes, maybe.
Is... Temps...
Good evening, sir.
My sweet girl.
Doctor.
Reads me like a book.
Come now, we can handle this. With you at our side, Dr. Reed, I know the code.
It's locked, all right. This must be the place. It's definitely away from prying eyes. Relegated to the shadows. A kingdom of my own. At least I won't be sleeping in a coffin.
Blundering idiot.
But in the circumstances, I'm willing to give you the benefit of the doubt.
Good evening, Mr. Goswick. How are you?
I'm okay.
Do you need any help?
I'm afraid I may, sir. I don't mean to be a burden. And you have my...
How painful. I have to go now, sir.
Good evening, sir. Doctor.
I cannot enter. The flower's dying. It needs water. The flower's dying. It needs water. If I'm to stay here until... My research is complete.